Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how we increase polyphenol in the olive fruit. So polyphenols are basically the immune system of the plant. So in order to increase that immune system, we are focusing on the soil. We do not grow trees, we grow soil. And the reason for that is in that soil we have the microbiome of the root system of the tree. Just like us, trees live in symbiotic relationships with thousands and thousands of microorganisms. So we are focusing on keeping those microorganisms happy, so the tree has access to all the nutrition in the soil and have a very strong immune system, therefore high polyphenol content. So that's why we managed to create an oil that has 30 times more polyphenol than your extra virgin olive oil. And if you come up close here, you will see that beautiful, I wish you could smell that beautiful soil. And in 1 teaspoon of that soil, you have more microorganisms than human on the planet. And the whole process is soaking carbon. Our oil is carbon negative. For every liter of the oil we produce, 16 kilos of carbon that is taken from the atmosphere into our soil, into our plants. Working with nature, not against it. That's how we do it.